Living in Redington Beach offers the best of Florida's coastal lifestyle, breathtaking ocean views, relaxing breezes, and endless sunshine. But along with the beauty of coastal living comes one undeniable reality: hurricane season. When strong winds and flying debris threaten, your home's windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry. That's why investing in hurricane-ready windows isn't just a smart upgrade, it's essential protection for your home, your family, and your peace of mind. These specially designed windows are built to withstand severe weather, offering year-round security and energy efficiency while maintaining your home's curb appeal. Here's a guide to the best hurricane-ready window options every Redington Beach homeowner should consider. Impact-resistant windows. The gold standard for storm protection. Impact-resistant windows, also known as hurricane windows, are engineered to endure the powerful winds and flying debris that accompany tropical storms. Unlike traditional glass, these windows use a laminated interlayer between two panes of glass, similar to the technology found in car windshields. Even if the glass cracks under impact, the interlayer holds it together, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home. This feature not only keeps your interior safe but also prevents sudden pressure changes that can cause roof or structural damage during a hurricane. Impact-resistant windows are tested to meet Miami-Dade or Florida Building Code hurricane standards, meaning they're designed for the toughest weather conditions the Gulf Coast can deliver. For Redington Beach homeowners, this level of protection offers invaluable peace of mind. Aluminum-framed windows. Strength meets durability. When it comes to window frames, aluminum remains a popular choice for coastal homes. It's naturally strong, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion when properly coated. Modern aluminum frames feature thermal breaks that prevent heat transfer, making them more energy efficient than older models. In hurricane-ready designs, aluminum frames are reinforced to handle the high wind pressures that Redington Beach homes often face during storms. Paired with impact-resistant glass, they provide a sleek, modern look that complements both contemporary and traditional architecture. Vinyl impact windows. Energy efficiency for coastal living. For homeowners seeking a balance between energy savings and storm protection, vinyl impact windows are an excellent option. These frames are made from high-quality, weather-resistant PVC that won't warp, rust, or rot in humid coastal air. Vinyl impact windows offer strong insulation, helping to keep Redington Beach homes cool in summer and warm in winter, reducing energy costs year-round. Their multi-chambered design enhances strength, while their impact-resistant glass ensures you're protected during even the fiercest weather events. They're also low maintenance, which means you can spend more time enjoying beachside living and less time worrying about upkeep. Laminated glass windows. Invisible protection with a clear view. If you love your ocean views, laminated glass windows let you enjoy them without compromising safety. These windows use a clear, shatter-resistant interlayer that absorbs impact while maintaining visibility and natural light. Even in non-hurricane seasons, laminated glass offers year-round benefits: noise reduction from outdoor traffic or ocean winds, UV protection to prevent furniture and flooring from fading, added security, as the tough interlayer resists break-ins. This makes laminated glass an ideal solution for homeowners who want hurricane-level safety while preserving their Redington Beach home's open, airy feel. Casement and awning impact windows. Designed for tight seals for superior wind resistance, casement and awning-style impact windows offer an additional layer of protection. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, these open outward and lock tightly against the frame when closed, creating an airtight seal that blocks out wind, rain, and debris. Casement windows are perfect for larger openings, while awning windows work well in smaller spaces such as bathrooms or above kitchen counters. Both styles combine functionality and resilience, an ideal fit for homes exposed to the coastal winds of Redington Beach. The value of professional installation. Even the best hurricane-ready windows can underperform if not installed correctly. Proper professional installation ensures a tight seal, secure anchoring, and compliance with Florida's stringent building codes. Expert installers use advanced techniques and materials designed to resist water intrusion and maintain your home's energy efficiency. Professional installation also helps maintain warranty coverage and long-term performance, giving you full confidence that your investment will stand up to the toughest conditions. Final thoughts for Redington Beach homeowners: hurricane-ready windows are more than a luxury, they're a necessity. From impact-resistant glass to reinforced aluminum or vinyl frames, the right combination of materials and professional installation ensures your home is prepared for whatever nature brings. Beyond storm protection, these windows improve comfort, reduce energy bills, and add long-term value to your property. Investing in hurricane-ready windows means protecting not just your home, but your way of life, so you can enjoy every sunny, seaside day in complete peace of mind.